Namaskar. We are covering the most important questions that might be asked in the upcoming UPSC PT examination 2021. Today in this list we have Puerto Williams in Chile, and this place is significant for civil service aspirants. The type of question that might be asked are: number 1. Which is the southernmost city of the world? Ushuaia, B. Puerto Williams, C. Falkland, D. Livingstone Island. Second, Puerto Williams is situated in A. Argentina, B. Peru, C. Chile, D. Patagonia. D. Young Han people are found in A. Yuquequia in Puerto Williams, B. Navarino Island, C. Congo Basin, D. Sabang. 4. Which of the following is true about Puerto Williams? A. It is the northernmost city of the world. B. It has world's biggest coal deposit. C. It has cleanest water in the world. D. It is known for the conservation of loggerhead turtles. So all these aspects that is related with any place you must be knowing in order to answer any sort of question that is being asked in the UPSC examination. Let's go through the topic and we'll find answer to all the questions asked, and we'll be providing the answer of the same at the end of this presentation. Why is in the news? Because Puerto Williams in Chile has become world's southernmost city after its status was upgraded from hamlet to city. And this is Southern America. This is the map of Southern America. On the southern tip, this is the location of Puerto Williams, the southernmost city. Earlier to that, this location was given to, there is a place called Ushuaia in Argentina. This place was earlier the southernmost place, but recently the Puerto Williams has taken the position as number 1 because it has been upgraded from hamlet to a city. It took over the title from Ushuaia in Argentina, which was world's southernmost city till recently. Moving towards the next, let's have a precise look that where exactly Puerto Williams is situated. This is the map of Southern America, and on the tip of this is exact location for Puerto Williams. If you recall our earlier video of Antarctica, then you can see that from Antarctica is the southernmost continent that we have, and this is the tip, and there is also the Drake Passage situated. So Ushuaia is the region where you can head towards the Drake Passage as well. This is the location of Puerto Williams. These are some brief facts about Puerto Williams that as an aspirant you must be knowing, that it has only a population of 2200 people. It is mainly a military naval base for Southern America. So it was not properly a town and a city like capital of Delhi and New York. It is a military naval base. It is only town on Navarino Island. It is capital of the Chilean Antarctic province and one of the 4 provinces that forms the Magallanes y Antarctica Chilean region. So this is an administrative division of the location of Puerto Williams. It is inhabited by the Young Han people. Young Han people are a very traditional and the old tribes that are residing on this region since 10,000 years and living in a villa which is named as Yuquequia. So Yuquequia is the exact place where the Young Han people stay, and it is a tiny village outside the Puerto Williams. Significant economic activities includes fishing, and fishing is the main their livelihood activities as well, and especially they capture a kind of crab which is known as the centole. So centole is a kind of a sea crab that the Young Han people capture for their food and for their subsistence and livelihood. There are some other important facts related with this place. For example, there is a ferry route from Punta Arenas. There is a ferry route from Punta Arenas to the Puerto Williams. You will probably see no sunshine because it is situated on the southernmost tip of the continent. It is a tip to the world's southernmost city. The weather makes it looks like we were sailing to the end of the world, and it looks amazing if you travel through this water channel from Punta Arenas to Puerto Williams. It's cold, gloomy windy and the water is turbulent in parts, and you will get wet if you are crossing it with any kind of a ship. And there are commercialized ships for the tourists to cross this area. This took nearly 7 days or a week. So if you love traveling, you must once think to visit this area. This is that sea route from Puerto Ushuaia, and this is that channel going through this. This is the Puerto Williams. So even in this image you can see how dark it is, because they usually receive no sunlight due to the location at the southernmost tip. So from here, so this is the location of Punta Arena. So this is the precise channel route, and in this map again you can see that this is Punta Arena and this is the sign. Here is the Puerto Williams, and this is the earlier town in Ushuaia, which was the southernmost, but now it is not, it is now the Puerto Williams. So this route mainly, if you travel through a ship, you will see no sunlight, and you will see the turbulence also because of the presence of drag passage nearby. Another interesting fact that one must keep in mind, that Puerto Williams has the cleanest water, very cleanest water of the world, and it has so many glaciers which are very pure and rich with fresh water. The water and the air in this area are incredibly clean, and reason for the same is that because they existed before the Industrial Revolution. So these are very primitive and very ancient town and cities. Let's have a look of the cleanliness of this place. In this image you can see that how serene the water and the glaciers are looking. And now coming towards the answers of the question that had been asked at the beginning. Which is the southernmost city of the world? Now the answer would be B, Puerto Williams. Puerto Williams is situated in Chile. Yanghang people are found at Yucaica in Puerto Williams. Which of the following is true about Puerto Williams? Of course, it has the cleanest water in the world. Thank you. You will be taking up another current affair topic on a place for your preparation in our next video. See you there. Subscribe the Ensemble IAS YouTube channel for your civil service preparation. Good luck. Namaskar.
To have more such discussions and analysis, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming videos.